going around Manila and around the Philippines for quite some time just to familiarize yourself with what's with the Filipino countrymen and also the Philippine tourism, if I may say. We've also worked here years ago, and we welcome you back. So welcome again to the Philippines. Okay, so today we open the floor for question and answers. Today, our two options, our two purpose why we're here and why we're doing this press conference and why you guys are here. Number one, we are very, very fortunate that Mr. Nam here is present and is announcing that we are doing a film, not a series, but a film that will be a collaboration between Korean actors and Korean talents, not just the actors, but the Korean creatives, so the directors, the DOPs, the okay. Can we have one table here at the other side? Sorry. Oh, one chair? Matay yung audio. Sige lang. So, nahugot ba? Filipino talents and Filipino creatives.
I think I need one microphone.
Yes, there is a microphone. May microphone sa bang isa? Ayan, napabigay na lang kay Ms. Rose. And then, the next purpose is to solidify the partnership between Korean tourism and Philippine tourism. So you may direct your questions between those topic, and please feel free to ask me, ask Mr. Nam, or Mr. Lee here on the side. Okay?
Yeah, okay po. So anyone can ask question. You can ask anything talaga.
Anything.
Except for one. So you can ask anything, and Director Nam Ki-hoon and assistant will answer. For the first question, let's have Miss Rachel Shaton of PEC.
Hi, Miss Rachel.
Hi, good afternoon. First of all, congratulations for this upcoming project. Can we ask Mr. Nam Ki-hoon about how he feels about working again here in the Philippines, having shot several projects here in the past?
많은 프로젝트를 이미 진행하게 되었고 이번에 새로운 기회로 다시 필리핀에서 촬영을 시작하게 될 것인데 이거에 대해서 소감 말씀해 주세요.
네, 안녕하세요. 일단 인사 먼저 드리겠습니다. 한국에서 온 남기훈 감독이라고 합니다. 반갑습니다.
First of all, allow myself to introduce myself. I am the director Nam Ki-hoon from Korea.
촬영으로 필리핀을 한 두어 번 촬영한 경험이 있는데 저한테는 되게 재밌고 신선한 경험이었던 것 같습니다.
So I've been to the Philippines for shoots several times, and every time I visit here, lagi po akong masaya at lagi pong mayroong mga bagong experience na nakukuha.
물론 그 전에는 조금 어두운 톤의 그 드라마, 영화를 했었지만 사실 제가 체감하고 있기에는 필리핀의 그 좋은 사람들 그리고 따뜻한 사람들 그리고 이 여유로움이 저한테는 되게 크게 와닿았습니다.
Well, to be honest, yung mga film or yung mga project na ginawa ko previously ay medyo dark ang theme niya. But personally, while staying or experiencing the Philippines myself, I really experienced how warm and how kind, bright the Filipinos are.
그래서 여기 지금 준비하고 있는 영화는 좀 사람 냄새 많이 나고 좋은 장소와 그리고 그들과 함께 어울려서 앞으로 에피소드가 진행되는 그런 영화를 준비하고 있습니다. 전 개인적으로 기대하고 있고 저 개인적으로 좀 흥분되는 지점이 있습니다.
So the project that we're preparing at the moment is focusing more on the human side, the good side of the Philippines, and how the main character can experience how warm or how passionate the Filipinos are when they treat other people. So I myself preparing this project, I'm very excited to see how we can express this positive emotion from the Philippines.
낯선 한국 감독 인터뷰에 이렇게 많이 와주셔서 일단 너무 감사합니다.
Pero unang-una, nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyo na you arrived here to interview a director like me who is not that well known.
Oh no.
Last question for Tristan. Can you share more about what this film is all about, and can you reveal who the cast will be? Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Rachel. So, this film, if I may say, if I may share, again, let's just like what director Nama said. This is going to be a very warm, very bright, very showing the sunny side of Philippines. So we may expect something fun, something light, and very happy. And when it comes to the cast, I'm so sorry. Unfortunately, we cannot share as of the moment because we're still finalizing. But rest assured that we've been working to bring nothing but the best. And something or someone, if I may say, someone or several people we're very, very familiar with from the past shows that we've been watching online and on big screen. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, P. Definitely, it's one of Korea's superstars, right?
Yeah,
Pressure.
definitely, maybe.
But Director Nam Ki-hoon said that you're happy every time you're here in the Philippines. We're also happy every time we're in Korea. Ako lang ba? Aminin. Okay, for our next question is from Bobby Requentina of Manila Bulletin.
So magandang hapon po. Kay Director Nam, what are some of the places you want to explore more in the Philippines when you shoot your next project?
제가 가족 여행으로 뭐 보라카이, 시부, 그다음에 마닐라 이렇게 돌았는데 좀 이미 유명해져 있는 지역보다는 조금 더 많이 전 세계 사람들이 알 수 있는 약간 숨겨진 명소 같은 거를 지금 좀 서치를 하고 있는 중이고 여건이 된다면 지금도 한 3-4번 이 프로젝트 때문에 왔는데 앞으로도 계속 그 헌팅 장소를 좀 물색하고 같이 상의를 하고 있는 중입니다. 네.
Well, through different or various family trips that I had here in the Philippines, of course, we were able to visit Boracay, Cebu, and Manila. Pero lalayo tayo ngayon sa sikat na mga lugar para sa mga tourism or sa tourist. Gusto po namin ipakilala sa pamamagitan po ng project na ito yung mga hindi pa masyadong nakikilala tungkol sa Pilipinas. Pero alam natin na sobrang ganda po dito. So, sa 3 o 4 na beses po na bumalik po ako dito sa Pilipinas for this project, we are continuously searching for the spot where we can really show the beauty of the Philippines. Yes.
Yeah, so if I may add,
Yes, sir.
혹시 그런 장소 있으면 좀 추천 좀 해달라고.
If ever meron po kayong ma-recommend na magandang lugar, pwede niyo pong ibigay sa amin.
actually just to add to what Director Naman said, we are currently exploring. So if I may say na he's also enjoying it because we really are. We've been traveling around and we're closely working with the Philippine Department of Tourism. So and hopefully we get to seal a deal with the Philippine DOT. This is something that we want and this is something that we need. You know, with the recent news about how low the Philippine tourism is, I think one of the main purpose, also of course with my big brother, Mr. Lee, one of his purposes is really to promote how beautiful the Philippines is. Especially nowadays, ang dami-daming negativity, ang daming toxicity that's happening. I think hindi pa rin dapat tayong maging madamot sa sarili natin when it comes to knowing what else is Philippines has to offer when it comes to tourism. Yeah.
Sir Clue, how big yung star na kinukuha niyo for this project? Clue na, I know hindi mo sasabihin, pero...
Siyempre, tumitingin na ako sa kanya, di ba? Well, ganito kasing naging discussion namin when it comes to casting. The leads or lead from Korea, we want to make sure that he has a good following when it comes to his fan base. That's number one. I think that's the number one trait, or if I may say strength, for the actor or actors. And then of course number two, someone who's really talented and already has gained a good following here in the Philippines. So we may expect someone who has already been there, already has good shows, already has proven himself when it comes to creating film and series.
Thank you. Sir, please credit to Director Namkin that it's an honor that we have the same birthday. So,
Wow.
it's very popular. I made some research. So, it's an honor.
So what's your birthday?
It's an honor for me as well. Sabi ko.
I love it. Google na. Okay, thank you, Bobby. And then here's Natalie Tomara of Philippine Star.
Well, my first question is for Director Nam Ki-won. Can you just give us an idea what's the story is going to be about?
한국에서 이제 번아웃이 온 스타가 유년 시절에 좋았던 기억 때문에 좋았던 기억으로 그 번아웃을 이기고자 필리핀 그 한적한 어느 곳을 가게 되는데.
So the story starts with a superstar from Korea, but through the different schedules that he's been through, he experienced a burnout. But during his burnout, he got to remember his childhood memory, a beautiful memory he had in the Philippines. So
예, 여기 왔는데 그 예전의 기억과 다르게 이곳은 지금 태풍이 곧 지나갔고 조금 황폐화돼 있는 곳에서 그 유년 시절의 기억과 좀 다른 기억 때문에 좀 오해를 하게 됐고.
So through this memory that he had, he got to visit this very peaceful place that he remembered. But once he arrived there, he noticed that everything was so different from what he remembered because a typhoon has just passed. But he had this misunderstanding that something bad was happening around the area. So he had this, nagkaroon siya ng pagkalito sa pagdating niya dito.
그 호텔을 재건하려고 하는 여자 주인공 그분하고 그 호텔을 다시 재건하고 있는 와중에 예전의 기억과 다르게 그 사람들과 그 호텔을 같이 재건하고 그 여유로움과 따사로움 때문에 그 번아웃을 이겨내갈 수 있는 그런 스토리의 영화입니다.
Pero habang nakabisita siya doon sa lugar na yun, nakikilala niya itong may-ari ng hotel na pinagsistayhan niya. At itong babae na ito, kasabay niya, i-rebuild nila itong lugar para mas maipaganda o maipabalik doon sa magandang alaala ng taglay nila. At sa loob ng proseso na iyon, merong mga masasayang mga episodes silang nararanasan. At syempre, hindi lang pagdating sa pagmamahal, kundi yung mga pag-aalala niya rin tungkol dati sa mga tao, sa warmth, sa hospitality, sa humanity ng Filipinos ay na-experience niya in the process din.
Baka ikwento niya na yung buong story, di ba? Okay na tayo doon. But yes, that the story will revolve around that maybe synopsis.
It's a romance.
Yes.
Rom-com.
Rom-com. So, but also, nakikita nyo na, so it's a community, mayroong traveling in and out, may maraming characters na pwedeng ma-involve that will also give opportunities for not just the female lead that we're looking for, that we're currently looking for, but of course to maximize, showing how good the talents are, of course, not just in Korea but also in the Philippines.
Can I ask Direct Nam Ki-won, what kind of, or what are you looking for? What leading lady are you, what qualities they want to see in your leading lady?
저도 사실 필리핀의 이제 90% 이상의 그 인력들과 이 시스템을 저 아직 적응을 하고 있는 단계여가지고 지금 배워나가고 있는 중이고 제일 우선시 생각하는 거는 이 남자 배우와 여자 배우의 그 앙상블이 제일 중요하지 않을까 그걸 기초로 해서 지금 물색 중입니다.
So, sa pamamagitan po ng project na ito, very new experience po siya. Kasi before, if I would have shoots dito sa Pilipinas, mostly the staff that we would have is 80% Korean and then 20% Filipino or Filipina. But through this new project, magbabago po ito. So kumbaga, 90% ng staff that we will work with would be Filipinos and we will be the mas kaunti pa kumbaga. Pero during this process, I'm still learning kung paano ba dapat makisabay sa Philippine staff and the Philippine people. And one of the main things that I'm looking for in an actress is of course yung harmony na mapapakita niya kasabay ng male lead po natin. So at the moment, patuloy-tuloy po namin sinesearch or hinahanap itong possible female lead po namin. So I hope everyone can be excited for this news as well.
그리고 그 한국의 필리핀 여자 주인공은 밝고 귀엽고 좀 씩씩한 캐릭터였으면 좋겠다라는 것도 첨부해 드립니다.
And for your reference, we would like to have a female lead that is very bright, cute, and energetic.
Okay. Well, last question on my part. Are you currently on holding auditions? And where now? And how? For those
So,
interested.
one of the big purpose why Mr. Nam and Mr. Lee is here, we've been meeting different management companies and different TV networks. So this is not to preempt, but also we just want to maximize and for them to know that this project is existing. So we will be announcing soon, hopefully by next month, maybe April. We'll be doing a casting call for the lead or the sub actors.
The title na of the
The film. Working title.
Not yet.
Not yet, not yet.
But is the male lead someone you've worked with in the past? Director now?
예전에 함께 일했었던
더 유명한 사람으로 해서
No, gusto namin yung mas sikat pa.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Nat. Maybe we can hear them. Baka meron